Hello, my name is Yutayana. I'm sixth grade student. I would like to present my research work. The topic of my research is comparative analysis of traditional Yakut earrings of the 19th and 21st centuries. Adornment is one of the important elements of culture. Its distinctive feature a vivid expression of the specifics of the nation and its level of development. The relevance of the work lies in the study of the semantics and functions of traditional Yakut earrings of the 19th and 21st centuries. To study the semantics and functions of the traditional Yakut head adornment, the following tasks were set to achieve the goal: to consider the main types of earrings of the 19th century, to study the materials for adornment, to reveal that adornment is an indicator of a person's social status, to make a comparative analysis of the early 19th and 21st centuries. Object of study Yakut earrings. Subject of study the semantics and functions of the Yakut earrings. You can understand the meaning of Yakut earrings if you know the semantics and functions. Search and systematization of material, polling, comparison and collation. Metal adornment is an important essential part of the Yakut costume. The features of the forms and designs of adornment were formed by the specifics of the costume. Earrings are the most common and numerous women's jewelry in Yakutia. Silver is the main material for adornment used in Yakutia. Yakut people also used copper, but it was not so popular and gold was not its honor at all. There are three main types of earrings: beads, rings, and pendants. Metal decoratines of Yakut people traditionally belong to the category of Sakalt Umum, that is to the category of items. They were considered to have magical properties. Belief in the mysterious power of metal adornment is characteristic of the culture of the Turkic people. In the Yakut culture, metal was associated with religious mythological ideas. Class differences of Yakut society and property inequality in the 19th century is reflected in the clothes and decorations of the local population. A special group consisted of women's adornment, which accompanied the woman from death to death. There are five age groups: children up to 5-6 years, teenage girls from 10 to 50 years, adult girls who have reached the age of marriage, brides, young women from 15 to 30 years, middle-aged women with children, elderly women. The use of nation symbols is a distinctive feature of modern adornment. Nowadays we have earrings with guimard, snowflake, flower, these bearing crane images that are very popular among the local population. In the course of work we identified the most used motif, which is the Siberian crane. In the progress of studying the Yakut earrings of the 19th century, it became interesting to use of a modern person relates to Yakut earrings, what role they play in his or her life to this, we conducted a research on the basics of the Tristach Ulus Gymnasium. 24 families have taken part in your research. Research or the development of survey preparation of forms for fixing the results. Implementation of research quantitative and qualitative analysis of data. Summarizing the results of the questionnaire, it can be concluded the modern pupils have preserved the ancient Yakut tradition of protecting a child from evil spirits. Earrings act as amulets. The tradition of passing earrings from generation to generation has also been preserved. Having studied the Yakut earrings of the 19th and 21st centuries, we come to the conclusion that there is great backtrack from traditions in the work of jewelers. The masters try not to limit themselves to the framework in the art; they use new technologies and decorative techniques. The rich traditions of the 19th century Yakut masters are tremblingly preserved, reinterpreted, and creatively developed by modern jewelers.